Welcome to What Is It Wednesday. Today we have the ZZ Raven houseplant. Zamioculcas Zamiifolia. This has got to be one of the top easiest to care for plants you're going to find. The Raven cultivar you see here has a striking, almost black foliage. It starts out as green, like the normal ZZ plant, but then darkens as it matures and hardens off to the somewhat glossy black leaves. With this popular variety, like a black car, you're going to notice all of the dirt and water spots more easily. The ZZ plant is native to Eastern Africa, specifically Zanzibar, Kenya, and Tanzania. How to care for the ZZ Raven? You're going to want to give it medium to bright indirect light, never direct light. It could burn. Even though some people say this is a low light plant, it won't thrive, it won't grow. It's already a slow grower, so you still want to give it medium light to watch it grow. For soil, you're going to want a well-draining potting mix and water only when the soil is completely dried out. I usually only water once a month, if that, during the winter, and if it does become really hot during the summer, maybe twice a month. And fertilize as needed during spring and summer on the monthly routine. The plants store water in their rhizomes, which are underground stems that allows them to survive for long periods of drought. So any overwatering is definitely going to lead to rot. Even though they say you can't kill this plant, you could. Temperature should range from 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid sudden temperature drops and drafts. And normal household humidity is fine, unless you have a very dry environment. Would you need to mist or have a humidifier? Don't forget to rotate your plant often, maybe every couple weeks, to prevent it from leaning one way versus another, to keep it growing straight upwards. It doesn't usually grow outwards, it just grows upwards. And for propagation, you can do this by taking clippings and growing in water. It will take months and months. If your plant is healthy, you may see new shoots coming up from the soil, from the rhizomes. And that's usually the healthiest way it'll grow and multiply. All ZZ plants are toxic to pets and humans if ingested, so it's important to keep them out of the reach of children and your pets. Besides that, this plant makes an excellent houseplant for the office, home, or to give as a gift. You won't be disappointed. It's strikingly beautiful, and also it purifies the air. So definitely buy this real plant, not as a fake plant. Thanks for watching.